Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best stainless steel rice cooker available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Cuisinart -400 Costa Rican Colognes rice cooker. One switch is all required to cook a perfect rice bowl with its 400 Costa Rican Colognes. When the cooking process is finished, the appliance automatically switches to its keep warm mode and can be seen by its indicator light. Made of stainless steel, it's very robust and will last in your family members for many years in the future. It's available in a 4-cup and an 8-cup variant to meet your personal requirements. Even better, the handles don't get hot, which makes it secure and easy to utilize. The steam port may be designed to prevent splashes across your kitchen. Furthermore, with a full inside non-stick aluminum cooking bowl, cleanup and release of food is easy. Included in this most efficient cookware made of stainless steel is a translucent, tempered cover that allows you to see the cooking process. Additionally, you will receive measuring cups as well as a rice spoon as well as a free recipe book. It is completely BPA-free and safe to use. It also has an unremovable cord that is ideal for storage and is backed by a 3-year warranty. At number 4 is the Oyama Stainless Steel 16-cup rice cooker. When it comes to cooking rice, vegetables, legumes, or dumplings, this Oyama Stainless 16-cup rice cooker, stainless steel inner pot, stainless steamer tray can handle any task easily. The cookware is constructed of surgical grade 304 grade stainless steel, and the stove offers single-touch printing with an automatic keep warm feature. You can use a rice strainer to wash the rice prior to cooking, as it will reduce the amount of tacky starchy crust at the base of the cooking pot. The most basic method of making brown rice is to use the equivalent of 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. For white rice, use the equivalent of 1 cup water to 1 cup of rice, until it's basmati rice, which means will require more water. The most efficient cookware made of stainless steel will shut down automatically once all rice is cooked. It is a great job at cooking the rice as that you get the right water-to-water ratio. Additionally, it has a steamer, which is in a position to steam green beans throughout the first couple of minutes of cooking rice. There's no harmful non-stick coating. It's a huge size and works well and cleans up not too difficult if you soak the inside of the vessel in water that is warm for a short period of time. At number 3 on our list is the Black & Decker RC 506 6-cup stainless steel rice cooker. When using the Black + Decker 6-cup rice cooker, it just has to wait between 20 and 30 minutes for the rice to be cooked and ready for dinner. The rice is a soft texture, with all the delicious taste kept well inside the. With a function to keep warm, it is possible to keep your rice warm until the time you're ready to enjoy dinner. This cooktop can not only cook, but steam your food too. Steaming food makes more nutritious alternatives to cooking and baking to the perfect level. With the steaming basket that comes with it, you can do this with your cooker. The unit comes with a non-stick bowl as well as a lid made of tempered glass, which is dishwasher safe for a quick clean. The bowl is removable, so it doesn't have to be thrown in the dishwasher. The handle is a soft touch plastic that lets you remove the lid at any point in the process. Additionally, on the lid, there's a vent to ensure a constant release of steam that keeps the temperature constant and the lid visible. There are a few issues that could be encountered with this device. The rice at the bottom could get crusty and cause issue. Even with additional fluids, the rice at the bottom is still able to form a get crusty. In the presence of water, this machine starts to release water from the vent, which could make a sticky, stinky mess. Moving up at number 2 is the Aroma Houseware Select Stainless Rice Cooker. Home cooking that is restaurant quality, that's what the Aroma model is best described. It's small, easy to clean, and is available in 7QT size, and comes with a steam tray, spatula, and measuring cup. Simply put 3 cups of cooked but not washed rice, with cold water the cooker, and it will take care of the rest. When the rice is cooked, it will shut off by itself and go into keep warm mode. There's no need to keep track of the cooking time, and you don't require to put a lid on the top or be worried about the rice getting cold. This is an excellent small rice cooker, with an auto-regulating time and temperature feature. The only thing you need to look for is to not keep it in the keep warm setting for too long, to ensure that the rice in the bottom does not turn crispy and sticky. You can also look for different models of this item with different capacities, e.g. 6-cup and 14-cup versions, and sizes. Don't let the one-touch button make you believe that this is a basic product, because it's also perfect to prepare stews and soups. At number 1 is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. Available in 3QT, as well as 8QT models and 8 quarts models. Instant Cooker Duo is without a doubt one of the top rice cookers made of stainless steel out on the market. It's a compact electric cooker that serves as a multi-purpose kitchen appliance that can be used for slow cooking for steaming vegetables, sautéing as well as warming food. Utilizing a very high efficiency, it lets you cook healthy and delicious meals in a matter of minutes with an automatic temperature and pressure control because of its third-generation microprocessor. It's also been tested by a lab and UL certified to ensure optimal performance. That means it can prevent harmful mistakes or food spoilage. Because of its multi-step safety features, we're able to get on board and cook the perfect rice. The main issue is that the product comes with an arduous learning curve because of the numerous features and the numerous programs available. While a manual is available to customers, however, there are some details lacking on cooking cycles and temperatures, as well as some other features that are minute. Once you're comfortable with the cooking process, it is a breeze for you, especially when you're in a hurry. The most appealing aspect of this item is that it does not make noise and offers a safe experience thanks to its non-stick interior steel pot as well as its long-lasting. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.